Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial, just bringing you another article about NNDM, Nano Dimensions, baby. I made another Nano Dimension video probably about a week or so ago, so I'll leave that in the description. You can go ahead and check that one out. If you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead and hit the like button. There's a lot of people out there watching my videos that haven't subscribed yet. It'd mean a lot to me if you would go ahead and subscribe. I've gotten a couple more subscribers again today. Again, I'm a new channel, just growing this and trying to take it to the next level and bring you some good stocks out there that I feel are good in my mind. You can do your own due diligence. Again, I don't give legal, tax, or trading advice, but we're going to talk about NNDM. And like I said, I also made another video about it, but I also have another good, well, it's kind of a corny joke, but I'll tell it anyway. Why don't ants get sick? Because they have little antibodies. Get it? Why don't ants get sick? Because they have little anti-A-N-T-Y bodies. So anyway, go ahead and leave a comment if you like the jokes or not, but I'm going to keep adding them just to throw in some humor. But if you don't know what Nano Dimensions is, I'll give you a brief synopsis here. You can also go ahead and pause the video. Engages in the provision of intelligent machines for fabrication of additively manufactured electronics. So it's more or less 3D printing, a really cool company that I think could skyrocket with all the potential and everything that they're into. As you can see, I have 15 shares, $4.32. It kind of went down on the last day of trading, but that could be profit takers. Who knows what was going on that day, but it's been kind of up and down. You can see the 3-month run looks pretty good. That's, I mean, pretty good staircase going up, 281%. But anyway, I think there's a lot of potential here. So again, 15 shares at 432. Looks like, yeah, I've had them for, well, back in, so you can see the potential that it's went up just since I bought. So I was just, again, the analogy that I use, sticking in the big toe, and before I get the whole foot or leg wet, so we'll see how it goes. But again, I should have bought more, but any more days like this, I will probably be buying on the dip, but there's just too many other opportunities out there as well. If you check my videos, I'm kind of all over the place. I like to diversify between EVs. Of course, everybody's into bingo. I'm going to be doing a video on that here later and kind of giving my week's projection. I have 3-4 other bingo videos out there, but you can go ahead and watch those. But anyway, Nano Dimension stock slides 12% pre-market after company sells shares at a discount. I'm sure y'all heard of this. If you follow NNDM, and I kind of highlighted this in my other video as well, you can go ahead and pause the video and read that for yourself. But basically, they just sold 33.3 ADS at $7.50 per ADS in a registered direct offering. From what I gather, they were just trying to raise some money. So yeah, depends how you look at it. A bad thing in the temporary, but in the long term, it could be good. It also created a buying opportunity. So it just depends how you look at it. You can speculate about it a couple different ways, but they did soar 42.2% in December. The 3D stock is skyrocketing, but there could be a catch. Shares of Nano Dimension rose 42.2% in December, according to the data from Y-Charts. The stock got a boost after the company announced a substantial number of customers had put in orders for upgraded Dragonfly 3D printing machines. Shares continue to climb higher despite the company conducting substantial new share offerings in the month. And as you can kind of see the growth there by the chart, feel free to go ahead and pause it. And moving on, just to keep it short, because I got a couple other articles here. Again, in December, impressive gains followed 110%, slightly over that, and closed out 2020 with the stock up roughly 260%. That's why I bring these stocks to your attention, because of the growth. I'm not telling you to invest in them, but I'm just showing you the opportunity to have the money to be made here. If you're going to invest into them, watch them, because these can be volatile at times. And you can see if you had a bunch of shares here, you would have lost roughly like 80 cents per share on the last day of trading. But anyway, moving forward, and feel free to go ahead and this is just a Motley Fool article that I found was kind of interesting. Just wanted to bring it to your attention. Again, on December 9th, announcing it closed the sale of 30 million shares at a price of $6. So that's kind of why it went down a little bit. But if you like the company, it did present a buying opportunity. So completed the sale roughly of 33.3 million shares of a price of $7.50 per share, and another deal handled by Think Equity. Now what? Despite the CV pandemic prompting some companies to scale back on growth initiatives, there are signs of strong momentum in the broader semiconductor space. And I also have a couple semiconductor videos out there, just releasing, I believe, 2 Intel tonight, and I have some other semiconductor as well as AMD out there as well. Go ahead and check the library on those as well. But again, anyway, feel free to pause the video and finish that article. This is the actual Nano Dimension website, and it's a really cool website if you're techie, like a lot of this computer type of stuff, 3D printing. Go ahead and check out their website. It's just got all kinds of good stuff in here, and I mean, you can see the potential behind this company in regards to everything that they're into. I mean, they just cover anything and everything that you can think of. There's lots of research going into the company, aerospace, defense, medical, automotive, and industries. So I mean, they touch it all. Research opens fundamental new research opportunities without the boundaries of traditional manufacturing. Cutting-edge technology will attract the best students and staff. Aerospace additive manufacturing of electronics solves many of the design challenges of the aviation industry. Defense in the classified world of a defense industry, medical, with the CV and everything is just huge. So you see the huge potential behind this company. That's why I like it. And also automotive and industries. So they pretty much touch it all. And then I found this video here I'd like to play right quick, and we will call it a night on NNDM. Here we go. So there you have it. Very cool stuff. Go ahead and take a look at their website. Just type in Nano Dimension, look it up on Google or whatever, and you'll be able to find it. A lot of cool stuff on there, but you can see why I'm excited about this company and the potential. And I showed you my cost basis on the 15 shares that I've had for roughly 2 months. It's doubled. I'm not going to say that it's going to double again in 2 months, but who knows? It could. I mean, I can see this being a $10 stock tomorrow if it doesn't take another dip. If it does, it would be worth looking into and purchasing um, if you feel that's right for you. But you can kind of see the range here, 51 cents to 10.49. So maybe it'll start going back up. So we will see. But anyway, one last joke for those of you that went to work today or will be going tomorrow. The joke is my boss told me to have a good day, so I went home. That's a pretty good one. So a lot of people feel like that when they go to work. So if somebody tells you at work, I guess it's up to you if you want to go home. But anyway, just bringing NNDM to you again. If I pick up some more shares, I'll make a video and let you know. Anything else I hear about Nano, I will be throwing your way. And if you have any comments or any other videos, leave that in the comments. And if you have any shares, what your cost basis is on NNDM, let me know. And we will talk to you all on the next one. If you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and hit it, smack it, tickle it, slap it around. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. We've had some growth again today. Last Friday, I was 3 weeks old on the channel, so I think I'm doing pretty good. So I'm going to have to set a new goal. I'll let you know about that tomorrow and some videos tomorrow. I got a couple more working on tonight. 2 or 3 to be released here shortly, and I have one other video that I also released tonight, so go ahead and check those in the library as well as my other NNDM video. So again, I will call it a night. I'm just rambling, but go ahead and hit that like button for me. Comments always means the lot to me, that you shows me that you watched and learned and have some comments, and that's the best part of it. So anyway, again, this is Jay. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.